Let me tell you a story. It's about a girl who felt like she didn't belong. One day, she met a boy. He made her feel special. She thought it was love. But after a few months, he started asking her to do things for him. Small things at first, then bigger, scarier things. She didn't tell anyone. He said other people didn't love her like he did. He brought her to his friends. He called them his family. He told her to let his friends love her too. She tried to say no. He took her somewhere quiet and dark and hit her again and again. Suddenly there was no more love. Suddenly there was fear and pain. She felt trapped and alone, and she asked herself, is this what it feels like to belong?